Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. So today we are here with day 8 of FSSI daily quiz. And this is as per the new pattern of examination. So if you have not watched the previous 7 videos, I will attach the link in the description box, and you can also go to my YouTube channel and search for the playlist FSSI daily quiz. Today I was not able to take the normal class because I was busy in some work. So today I'll be uploading only the quiz classes, that is of day 8. So now let us start the class. So any sample any sample taken by food officer should be divided into how many parts. See, this is very important because if any food or safety officer goes to any hotel or restaurant for inspection, then if he takes the food, he has to divide those food into 4 parts. So the reason is the sealed container of one part of the sample for analysis along with the memorandum shall be sent in a sealed packet to food analyst. So the one part of the food should be sent to food analyst. The sealed container of the second part and the third part of the sample and 2 copies of memorandum in form 4 shall be sent to designated officer. So second and the third part should be sent to designated officer. The sealed container of the remaining fourth part of the sample and a copy shall be sent to accredited laboratory along with the fee prescribed by the authority. So please remember these things also. So it should be divided into 4 parts. The first part for food analyst, second part and the third part for designated officer, and the fourth part for accredited laboratory. So this is the procedure that has to be followed if a food safety officer takes the food for inspection. So next question. Till now, the preamble of the Constitution has been amended for how many times? Please see the question properly. It is not the Constitution; it's the preamble of the Constitution. So it has been amended only once during the period of Indira Gandhi. So she amended it and added the 3 words. So the today's question is, what are the 3 words that was added in the preamble after the amendment of the preamble of the Constitution? So now the next question. So you can see here the 3 words are mentioned there. So I want to show that. Okay, according to FSSA, the penalty for selling food not of the nature of substances of the quality demanded shall not exceed. So what is the penalty for selling food which are not of standards maintained by FSSA? So the answer is 5 lakh. So an amount of 5 lakh can be put as a penalty. So initially, for how long president rule can impose in a state? This is initially, not as a total sum. So initially it can be imposed only for 6 months. So for a period of 6 months, the president's rule can be imposed in a state. According to FSSA, appeal against the report of food analyst shall lie before. So if you want to appeal on a decision taken by a food analyst, then to whom you should go? So the answer is designated officer. So if you want to appeal, you need to go to a designated officer. What can be the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? Please see the question properly. It is Rajya Sabha, not Lok Sabha. So the answer is 250. So the maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha can be 250. This has been provided in the Article 80 of the Constitution. So much of things is not required for FSSAI exam. So if you need the knowledge, you can remember Article 80. So where 12 members are nominated by the president and 238 are representatives of the states. Currently, only 245 are there. So 245 seats has been filled currently in Rajya Sabha. According to FSSA, penalty for misleading advertisements can be extended up to 10 lakh rupees. So up to 10 lakh rupees, the penalty for misleading advertisements can be extended. So the ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity were taken from French Constitution. So yesterday I spoke about fundamental duties and fundamental rights. Today, the ideals of these 3 were taken from French Constitution. What is recommended allowance for salt by WHO? It is 5 grams per day. See, this is a recent current affairs part. So please remember that WHO has recommended allowance of 5 grams per day of salt for every human. So who can dismiss the governor from the office? So only the president has the power to dismiss the governor from the office.